Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve product quality with Toyota, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of product quality is the first step toward improvement. Toyota's philosophy, known as the Toyota Production System, emphasizes quality as a core value. Begin by establishing a clear definition of quality for your product. Engage all team members in this process to ensure a shared understanding. Next, analyze your current quality metrics to identify weaknesses. Collect data on defects, customer complaints, and production issues. Utilize tools like Pareto analysis to prioritize the most significant problems. Implement the concept of Genchi Genbutsu, or go and see. Visit the production floor to observe processes firsthand. Document any inefficiencies or quality issues you observe. Engage with workers to gather insights on challenges they face. Next, apply the 5 whys technique to identify root causes of quality issues. Ask why 5 times to peel back layers of symptoms. Once root causes are identified, brainstorm potential solutions. Involve cross-functional teams in the brainstorming session. Develop a plan to test your proposed solutions on a small scale. This is known as a pilot project. Establish success criteria for your pilot to evaluate effectiveness. If the pilot proves successful, it's time to deploy the solution company-wide. Continuously monitor the impact of your changes on quality metrics. Employ the plan-do-check-act cycle to systematically refine your processes. All team members should be trained on new protocols to ensure compliance. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement within your organization. Regularly hold quality improvement meetings to discuss progress and challenges. Celebrate small wins to maintain morale and commitment to quality. Seek feedback from customers about their experiences with your product. Use this feedback to close the loop on your quality improvement process. Always be ready to re-evaluate and adapt your strategies as needed. Ultimately, remember that improving product quality is a journey, not a destination. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.